Ever wonder why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? It's not just luck, it's psychology. The way you think, make decisions, and handle challenges determines your success. And today, we are sharing the biggest psychological shifts that can help you break through limits and reach your goals. Success isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart. By understanding how your mindset, habits, and emotions influence your results, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life and career. So if you're ready to rewire your mind for success, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let us know in the comments. What's one belief about success you're ready to change? Ever wonder why you're constantly feeling overwhelmed at work? Why does it seem like stress is always lurking around the corner, ready to pounce? Discover how to manage workplace stress effectively and transform your work environment into a space of productivity and well-being. Before we dive deeper into the strategies and psychology of stress management, let's start with a simple exercise. Take a moment to reflect on the following questions. Your answers will help you better understand your current stress levels and the potential paths to managing them. Don't worry, the results will be revealed at the end of this bookshot. Stress reflection test. 1. On a scale from 1 to 10, how often do you feel overwhelmed by your workload? 2. Do you often find it difficult to switch off from work, even after hours? 3. How frequently do you experience physical symptoms of stress like headaches or fatigue? 4. Do you feel that stress impacts your relationships or overall happiness? Hold on to your answers, we'll revisit them later. Understanding stress, a complex relationship. Stress isn't inherently bad. In fact, stress is a natural response designed to keep us alert and focused. According to the American Psychological Association, stress triggers the body's fight or flight response, which can be incredibly useful in short bursts. But when stress becomes chronic, it can lead to a myriad of issues, both mental and physical. The key to managing stress lies in understanding its dual nature. On one hand, a certain level of stress can enhance performance and motivation, a concept discussed extensively in Kelly McGonigal's book, The Upside of Stress. On the other hand, prolonged stress without proper management can lead to burnout and health problems. Dr. McGonigal emphasizes that our perception of stress plays a crucial role in how it affects us. Believing that stress is harmful can indeed make it more detrimental. Conversely, viewing stress as a challenge rather than a threat can enhance resilience and performance. The psychology of stress management. To effectively manage workplace stress, it's essential to delve into the psychological aspects of stress management. Stress isn't just a physical reaction, it's a complex interplay of emotions, perceptions, and mental habits. Understanding these psychological factors can provide powerful insights into how you can better cope with and even harness stress to your advantage. The role of perception in stress. The way you perceive stress significantly impacts how it affects you. According to Kelly McGonigal in The Upside of Stress, your belief about stress can either amplify its negative effects or transform it into a positive force. This perception is crucial. If you view stress as a threat, it triggers a fight or flight response that can lead to anxiety and burnout. However, if you perceive stress as a challenge, it activates a growth mindset, where you see stress as an opportunity for personal and professional development. For instance, imagine you're facing a tight deadline on a major project. If you see this as an insurmountable obstacle, you may feel paralyzed and overwhelmed. However, if you view it as a challenge that will test and ultimately enhance your skills, you're more likely to approach it with a proactive attitude. This shift in perception not only reduces feelings of helplessness, but can also boost your performance and resilience. Cognitive behavioral techniques. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, offers valuable tools for managing stress by addressing negative thought patterns and replacing them with more constructive ones. The central premise of CBT is that your thoughts, rather than external events, determine your emotional responses. For example, if you believe that making a mistake at work will lead to catastrophic consequences, you may experience heightened anxiety. CBT techniques help you challenge and reframe these irrational thoughts, reducing their impact on your stress levels. One effective CBT technique is cognitive restructuring. This involves identifying and questioning negative thoughts and replacing them with more balanced and realistic ones. For instance, if you think, "I can't handle this workload," you might reframe it to, "This is challenging, but I have the skills and resources to manage it." By altering these thought patterns, you can change your emotional response to stress and enhance your ability to cope. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Mindfulness is a psychological practice rooted in ancient meditation traditions, but it has been widely adopted in contemporary stress management strategies. The core of mindfulness is being fully present and engaged in the current moment without judgment. This practice has been shown to have a profound effect on stress reduction. Research indicates that mindfulness can decrease levels of the stress hormone cortisol and improve emotional regulation. By regularly practicing mindfulness, you can develop greater awareness of your stress responses and learn to approach them with calmness and clarity. Techniques such as mindful breathing, body scans, and mindful observation can help you stay grounded and manage stress more effectively. The impact of work culture on stress. Your work environment plays a significant role in shaping your stress levels. The culture of your workplace, its values, norms, and expectations, can either contribute to or alleviate stress. A supportive work culture that promotes open communication, work-life balance, and employee well-being can significantly reduce stress. On the other hand, a high-pressure, competitive environment can exacerbate stress and lead to burnout. Creating a positive work culture involves fostering an environment where employees feel valued and supported. This includes promoting open lines of communication, providing regular feedback, and encouraging professional development. Leaders and managers play a crucial role in shaping this culture by setting the tone for how stress is managed and addressed within the organization. The psychology of stress and performance. Stress can also impact performance in various ways. It's important to understand the psychological mechanisms behind these effects to leverage stress as a performance-enhancing tool. The Yerkes-Dodson law, a well-established principle in psychology, posits that there is an optimal level of stress for peak performance. Too little stress can lead to underperformance due to lack of motivation, while too much stress can overwhelm you and impair your ability to function effectively. Finding the right balance involves managing stress to stay within the optimal zone where it drives motivation and focus without causing overwhelm. This balance is often referred to as eustress or positive stress. Eustress can enhance cognitive functions such as problem-solving and decision-making, leading to improved performance and productivity. Developing resilience through stress management. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and is closely linked to effective stress management. Resilient individuals view challenges as opportunities for growth and are able to maintain a positive outlook even in difficult situations. Building resilience involves developing coping strategies, maintaining a supportive social network, and fostering a sense of purpose and control. Resilience training often includes techniques such as building self-efficacy, which is the belief in your ability to handle challenges and achieve goals. This belief can be strengthened through setting and achieving small, manageable goals, seeking feedback, and learning from past experiences. The influence of personality on stress response. Individual differences in personality can also affect how you respond to stress. For example, people with a high level of conscientiousness tend to experience less stress because they are better at organizing and managing their tasks. Conversely, individuals who score high on neuroticism may experience higher levels of stress due to their tendency to react more strongly to stressors. Understanding your personality traits can help you tailor your stress management strategies to suit your individual needs. For example, if you're naturally inclined to worry, techniques such as cognitive restructuring and mindfulness may be particularly beneficial. Conversely, if you're highly conscientious, focusing on time management and organizational strategies might be more effective. The importance of self-care. Self-care is a fundamental aspect of managing stress and maintaining overall well-being. It involves taking deliberate actions to care for your physical, emotional, and mental health. Self-care practices include activities such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, healthy eating, and engaging in hobbies and interests. Incorporating self-care into your routine can help you build resilience against stress and improve your ability to cope with workplace demands. It's important to view self-care not as an indulgence, but as a necessary investment in your health and productivity. Stress reduction techniques, practical and proven strategies. Once you understand the psychology behind stress, it's time to explore practical techniques for reducing it. These strategies are not just theories, but are backed by research and real-world applications. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for managing stress. Mindfulness involves being fully present and engaged in the current moment, which can help reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being. According to studies published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine, regular mindfulness practice can lead to significant reductions in stress levels. Exercise and physical activity. Physical activity is another effective stress reliever. Engaging in regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Research shows that even moderate exercise, such as a brisk walk, can significantly reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Healthy eating and sleep. Never underestimate the impact of a balanced diet and adequate sleep on stress management. A healthy diet provides the necessary nutrients for your body to handle stress effectively, while good sleep allows your body to recover and prepare for the next day's challenges. The 4-Hour Workweek. Insights and applications. Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek offers valuable insights into reducing stress through improved efficiency and lifestyle design. Ferriss advocates for the concept of lifestyle design, which involves rethinking traditional work models and prioritizing activities that align with personal goals and values. Delegation and automation. One key takeaway from Ferriss's book is the power of delegation and automation. By offloading tasks and automating repetitive processes, you can focus on high-impact activities that contribute to your personal and professional growth. This approach not only reduces stress, but also enhances overall productivity. The 80-20 principle. Ferriss also highlights the 80-20 principle, which states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. By identifying and concentrating on the tasks that yield the most significant results, you can work more efficiently and reduce the time spent on less productive activities. The role of social support. The importance of social support cannot be overstated when it comes to managing stress. Having a support network of friends, family, and colleagues can provide emotional relief and practical assistance during stressful times. Sharing experiences and seeking advice can help you gain new perspectives and coping strategies. Conclusion: turning stress into strength. In summary, managing workplace stress involves understanding its psychological underpinnings and applying practical strategies to mitigate its effects. By setting boundaries, managing time effectively, and incorporating stress-reducing practices like mindfulness, exercise, and healthy eating, you can significantly improve your overall well-being. Remember your answers to the stress reflection test? If you found yourself frequently overwhelmed or struggling to balance work and personal life, implementing these strategies can help you regain control. Transforming stress from a source of distress into a tool for growth and productivity is not only possible, but also empowering. In the words of Kelly McGonigal, stress can be your ally, not your enemy. By adopting a proactive approach and utilizing the insights from experts like Cal Newport, Brian Tracy, and Tim Ferriss, you can turn workplace stress into a manageable and even beneficial force in your life. So, take the first step today. Reflect on your stress levels, apply the techniques discussed, and embrace the possibility of a more balanced and fulfilling professional life. You have the tools and knowledge to make a positive change. Now it's up to you to put them into action. We just explored some fascinating psychology insights that can help you understand yourself and the world around you. Which idea stood out the most to you? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you don't miss future videos, and share this with someone who loves learning about psychology too. If you're interested in more psychology-based insights, practical tips, and discussions, join our community. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning, growing, and exploring. More knowledge, more discoveries. Click the link in the description and unlock valuable insights. 100% free.